I got my son this super simple wallet. It does come with a place where you could add keys. We added a cute little keychain to it. But what's really great about this is it just is simple elastic, and you have a few places where you can put cards. I have 4 cards in it right now. Now if you take it down to just 1 card and you put it in the middle, that card's not going anywhere. So even if you only have 1 or 2 cards in it, it holds it really tightly, and then it will stretch for more cards. I'm sure if you kept a lot of cards in it for a long time, it would stretch out, but it is a really simple elastic style. As you can see here, the inside does have some extra elastic in it that you kind of want to work around when you put cards in. It hasn't been a problem, but you have this inside compartment, and then you have these 2 exterior compartments. So you have lots of space to put cash or cards, whatever you want to put in it. Now I'm just using some generic cards for this video. The first card is the hardest, so it's nice to always have a card in there, say your insurance card, something you never take out, as that basically keeps it steady, and then it's way easier to just shove more cards in. Super simple. And then you can just keep sticking them in. And the exterior portions can hold a couple cards, the inside can, and the outside can. So you got a lot of storage. It's nice and grippy, feels really good in my hand. Definitely sits well in the pocket. It's a simple, minimalist, and very functional wallet.